Here I am at one of the local thrift stores picking up this dresser. Turned out to be a sweet deal. It was a 60-70% off day, and that particular thrift store gives veterans additional 25% off all purchases. So it came out to $10. You can see the dresser looks really good. All the drawers work, no problems. Couple surface scratches, which all those came out after I did a quick sanding. So the dresser was in really good shape. Good solid bones, solid wood, good looking dresser. So coming up here, there'll be a quick picture of me starting to break the dresser down. And I forgot to turn the camera back on when I was sanding, so I missed those pictures. So as you can see from the video, few surface scratches, nothing major. Got the drawer pulls taken off. This is the paint I use. I ended up getting this paint from Home Depot over in the paint section. Looked like somebody probably ordered the paint and didn't want it. I only paid $9 for this gallon of paint. So here's the drawer pulls taken off. About to get ready to paint them. I'll show you the paint that I use. This paint right here works great. Works great on drawer pulls. There's another shot of the drawer pulls. Starting to paint them. First quick coat. And that's our end result. Turned out looking really good. They're brown with the black drawer pulls. Turned out looking really good. End up selling this dresser for $165. Great turnover, great profit. Didn't take me very long. Longest part of the project was just waiting for the paint to dry. Flippingshop.com. Start making that money flipping furniture.